Go ahead. Can you get up there? Go ahead.
Mama.
Do you want Daddy to help you?
Is it a little tall for you, Shani?
Is that your bed? What are you going to do on your bed? Can you show me? Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Do you want your pillow?
Oh.
Lay down on the pillow. Show us how you're going to go to sleep. Aww.
What sound do you make when you're sleeping? You're firm. You're much good for someone like Daddy. No, 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 no. We want me to, what? Want me to sit? You want me to get off the bed? Because it's your bed. Okay. I'm off the bed now.
Can Mommy sit on the bed? No?
Whose bed is this? Shani's bed.